Hello everyone, and thank you for inviting me today. My name is Hed Kovetz, and I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Silverfort. Silverfort offers a secure authentication and access solution for enterprises. We protect access and authentication of employees and suppliers into corporate resources. The unique thing about our solution is that it doesn't require any installation of agents or proxies. That means we can protect anything that is connected to the corporate network or cloud, both from the inside and from the outside. And we can cover even very large corporate environments without having to protect resources one by one. In the past, this wasn't a big challenge because corporate networks were very simple. They had a clear perimeter, everything was on-premise, all the employees were in the office, and we assumed that everybody is trusted. Today, corporate networks are very different. There is cloud, IoT, and of course, today, with the corona pandemic, there's a lot of workforce that is connecting from the outside, working from home. We have to secure all these employees, all these suppliers that are accessing the sensitive systems of the organization. But in this new reality, it's not clear anymore where do you implement secure authentication and access. With so many devices, applications, and servers all connected to each other, where do you actually apply the protection? Silverfort has a very unique technology that allows it to protect any access, any authentication, even across all these different devices, systems, and applications that don't support it today, without having to deploy any software on the company's systems. It allows our customers to achieve a few advantages. One is secure remote access of any employee, any supplier into our network, which of course is very important these days because our employees are working more and more from home and not from the office. We need to make sure that it's really them and not somebody who maybe stole their password. The second thing is we extend multi-factor authentication to any possible use case that you need to secure. That includes even systems, applications, and devices that you couldn't protect until today because you can't install any software on them, such as legacy applications, homegrown applications, databases, file systems, industrial systems, and many more examples. It also includes machine-to-machine access or application-to-application access. In addition to that, we have a very unique machine learning-based engine that understands user behavior and risk and can apply protection when we see a user behaves in a different way than normally or in a way that looks like a potential attack on the network. We have a very sophisticated engine that can do that and apply conditional and continuous authentication policies. This also allows our customers to implement what is called a zero-trust approach. That means everybody connecting into my network needs to be verified, and I will not trust a user just because he's logged into the network. I will look at everything this user is doing, monitor it all, and apply protection whenever he's trying to do something that is high risk. And the last thing, which is a unique advantage of our technology, we can protect all these things without requiring that the customer install any agents or proxies or that you make any changes to your existing applications. This is why this is really the simplest solution to implement and to maintain in the industry. And it can cover a lot of systems that you couldn't protect until today, and maybe you are required to because of compliance or because of this new remote workforce situation. The last thing I want to show you is just a quick look at what the product actually looks like. This is our product, and all these dots you see that are crossing the screen, these are actual authentications that are happening in real time. Users trying to access corporate resources, both on-prem and in the cloud. We give you a lot of statistics and reporting about users, about the risk, what they are doing inside your network once they are connected. And you can look in every specific user or device and see exactly what they are doing. Why are they with high risk? What devices they are connecting from? What resources they are accessing in my network? So finally, I have real visibility into all these users that are connecting inside my network. But then the most important thing is we let you build policies and say, if these users connect to these resources with this kind of risk parameters, I want to apply protection. So for example, if one of these domain admins members is trying to log in into any of these servers, and again, these could be legacy servers, proprietary systems, things that you couldn't protect otherwise, or of course, it could also be cloud applications and more. And then the last thing is you can use the Silverfort risk engine based on machine learning to apply protection only when there is a risk. Then you choose whether you want to apply multi-factor authentication, allow access, or block access. So this product gives you full control of access and authentication in your network between anything and anything. So this is Silverfort. We have offices around the world. We have partnerships with some of the biggest vendors. And if you have any of their products, we are happy to show you how we actually add value and use those technologies too. We have customers in different verticals around the world. And we are getting a lot of recognition from the industry as the next generation authentication technology that is especially designed for this new reality that we are all experiencing these days. Thank you very much for listening, and if you want to learn more, please reach out to me. Arigato.